motivation ng mga to, yung grupo mo?
Ano, tipping point. They're trying to create political tipping point. What more? Alam na natin yun, di ba? They want to, a branch of the service to rise up in arms. Yun naman yun eh. You're creating a tipping point.
Sir, parang po
To
kayo
favor a local party or a state up?
Local yan. I think we know who's behind it, but we have to prove it. So we're not alleging anything now.
Sir, yung statement niyo po kanina, sir, you're saying na hindi po compromise yung impartiality ng ombudsman. Kahit
Hindi. I'm not personally looking into that. I'm allowing the people in the Ombudsman's office to look at it for themselves. Pare-pareho kami abogado. We just studied the same principles. That an affidavit is supposed to be based on personal knowledge.
So ano? Sir Lianis, nakikita daw niya na Duterte daw possible yung behind this.
Hindi, marami pa kami ibang personalities sa
So,
Pilipinas.
you see it as a political?
Oh, political yan. Oh, syempre, political yan. And some of them have economic motives. But mahirap magsalita ngayon.
Ano yung economic? Ano yung sabihin?
Mahirap na magsalita.
Ano assurance mo, sir? Ano assurance mo
Basta fair
sa
kami.
publiko?
We're here to be fair. Diba? Kaya nga, kung ako hindi fair, aaminin ko ba yung ICC? Hindi. Yung sabi ko, totoo yun. Pero walang 18 tao ron sa labas ng bahay ko.
Sir, in the meeting kasama ba
Nakita ko
si-
naman sila, no, umalis eh. Oh.
Sir, sa meeting kasama ba si Central Lianis?
I cannot recall now
Because he
if
already
Torre was there or
sir.
Trillanes was there. But we've met in that house before. So, nakakausap sila doon. But I remember the 2 ICC people who were there. Naalala ko sila.
Sir, ang flood control, sir, kahapon mo si Yusek Bernardo